Hi all. So I want to do an update video on my asphalt. I've had a few fellas ask me about it, make comments. Some said it wouldn't work, so that's why I thought I'd do an update. And you can see it's still in good shape. It's not breaking up, you know. Main part is right through here, but you can tell even the outer edges where it was real thin, it's not even breaking up there. Now we don't drive there. Tires go up through here, you know. So those big rubber mats that you saw in the first video, I had put those on top of here, and I left them there for weeks, a couple weeks or more, and that was like right during the hot parts of the summer, and then we drove on it for months, so that might be why it packed it down. It's still a little spongy, you know, but you know, $11 is better than. See, I basically got a 4-lane road here. 2 car lengths, 3 car lengths long, 2 car lengths wide. It costs a small fortune if I was to redo the whole driveway. Okay, see ya.